From this quiz, I have learned so many moral values which will help me in my future life. And I have learned so many virtues which will help me in achieving my goal. From this quiz, now I know what is good, what is bad, what is right, what is wrong, what is evil or what is wise.
It ensures the excellence in values of morality, humanity and ethics. I want to know about many moral values of our life from this Olympiad. I learned dedication and determination from this exam. And I am very happy to be the part of this 6th International Humanity Olympiad. Thank you.
Many new words such as benevolent, sagacious and humane. I am very grateful that I have got an opportunity to attempt this. I have learned the true meaning of humanity. Humanity means forgetting our selfish interests at the time when other needs our help and helping each other wherever or whenever possible. It means exceeding our unconditional love to each and every human being on this earth.
This is an exam of excellence in values of humanity, morality and ethical values. This exam was conducted to ensure upliftment of an individual, families and society by enriching them with good morals and ethical values across the world. Through this exam, any individual can rightly assess their own level of morality and can learn how to be a good human being in a dignified way.
Under this Olympiad, an exam based on humanity, morality and ethics, I was truly motivated to become a good human being by adopting the state of equality. As the exam equips students with the true human values, thereby leaders of tomorrow are being made better human beings today. I felt that being smart is not very necessary. What necessary is the need of striving to be great, because good moral character is an ideal state of a person's beliefs and values that is considered more beneficial to society.
Excellence differentiates extraordinary peoples from the ordinary peoples. In today's generation, all peoples are losing their moral values. Moral values such as truth, freedom, charity, and moral humanity values such as love, affection, learning, teaching, aspiration, empathy, love. I have learned all from this Humanity Olympiad.
It helped me a lot in assessing my level of morality. This is the exam of excellence in the values of humanity and morality. I learned that the purpose of this Olympiad is to uplift humankind and its quality based on human values, morals and ethics. Through this Olympiad, I got to know my moral values. It enabled me to access my knowledge of humanity, morality and ethics.
Nowadays, humans are being selfish. The Humanity Olympiad revives the moral values in us. Due to the Olympiad, my morality level has increased. I have learned many virtues like persistence, truthfulness, honesty and many more. I am grateful that I had been the part of the Olympiad.
It was a very great experience for me to participate in this Olympiad. This Olympiad gives me opportunity to test my humanity level. As we know that this is the era of very busy days, and in these busy days, most of the people have forgotten their moral values. But from this Olympiad, I have learned many moral values and many moral lessons which will help in my future.
International Humanity Olympiad is the exam of excellence in value of humanity, morality and ethics. To ensure the upliftment of individual or a society at large by enriching them with the moral and ethical values across the world. Any individual can easily assess their own level of morality through this Olympiad and also learn to remain human in a dignified way.